This Good Morning Washington Spotlight on Your Health is sponsored by Regenerative Orthopedics and Sports Medicine. Well, here we are back with our good friend Dr. Siddiqui at ROSM at their brand new location here in Lansdowne. Thank you so much for having us. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Such an exciting day. Let's talk about Regenerative Orthopedics and Sports Medicine and what it means for Lansdowne and how you can help people dealing with pain.
First off, we're just very excited to be here in Lansdowne. Next couple months will mark 10 years of us being in the DMV area, and we've worked really hard to be kind of one of the prominent practices in orthopedic medicine in the DMV, especially in DC. And it's great to be able to come out to Lansdowne and serve this community, and we're very excited to do so. And so for people who are in pain, who are looking for alternatives to surgery, we're the place to go. So we have really specialized in getting people back to work, sports, back to just everyday functioning, walking without pain in ways that are different from surgery and traditional methods.
And that alternative to surgery is so important to so many people that are watching right now. If you can avoid it at all costs, you will try to do that. Talk about this new location as we were here at the ribbon cutting today and what this means for patients here in this area.
We've been in the DMV area for 10 years now, and we already do have patients who come from the Lansdowne area, but they have to commute all the way into DC or Tyson's Corner. And we're so excited to be out here and to really serve the community, to allow patients easier access to our services. And it's really a unique service that we offer, and we're just very excited to be here.
Talk about some of the things at this facility that will help people.
First and foremost, we use diagnostic ultrasound to properly diagnose any orthopedic condition. And you'll find that we spend a great deal more time with our patients relative to the traditional orthopedic surgery route, because our first and foremost goal is to find the proper diagnosis as to what's causing one's pain. Once we've found out what's causing the pain, we will give all our patients all the options, including surgical options that we don't necessarily do, but everything from physical therapy, injections, regenerative therapy, and surgery to come up with a tailored treatment plan that's unique and specified to each individual patient.
Explain why regenerative medicine is so effective and it has helped so many people.
Our body has the capacity to heal. The reason why people get injured and stay injured or in pain is some of our tissues lack the blood supply to be able to naturally heal on its own. So our therapies, our regenerative therapies, are geared towards the natural healing response that all of our bodies have and tailoring it so it can go to areas that otherwise can't heal on its own. So we will either take blood or cells from one area and guide them to other areas through injections or other ways to allow these tissues to heal and get people out of pain.
You've helped so many patients. So many people that are watching Good Morning Washington right now have reached out to you. We've talked about this before. People may have a surgery scheduled right now for something that they thought surgery was the only option. It is worth making the phone call to see if Regenerative Orthopedics and Sports Medicine can help.
Right, absolutely. And first and foremost goes back to getting the proper diagnosis. I don't know how many times I've seen a patient in my office who's come after they've had 1, 2, sometimes 3 surgeries, and they're still in pain, and we figure out they've been operated on the wrong spot. So it can be as simple as that. Other times, surgery is not without risks. Things can happen in surgery going under anesthesia, and we've seen patients with those negative outcomes as well. And there are many patients who do well with surgery, but it's important to, when you're doing anything, especially something for your own body, to get all the options so you can make an informed decision.
Well, we're going to put some important information on the screen right now, including the website, phone numbers, about the new location here in Lansdowne, and the 8 locations throughout the DMV. So you can reach out to ROSM right now. In fact, people at ROSM are standing by to take your call if you have some more questions after this conversation we just had here. Thank you so much, Dr. Siddiqui.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Yeah, thank you.